the bases must be the same. You can see the bases are x and x. And the indices must be the same. So, let's go from one side. The bases are the same, but the indices are different. Therefore, the powers are not the same. The indices are the same, but the bases are not the same. Therefore, the powers are not the same. The bases are different. Therefore, the powers are not the same. But in this example, the bases are exactly the same. The indices are exactly the same. Therefore, we can say that these two powers are exactly the same. Now, you would have to be able to identify powers which are the same for you to work out whether terms are like or unlike. So in our next session, we're going to go on to like and unlike terms. Right? We're going to take a small break here now. Alright, so to summarize, in our minds we should be very, very clear. In our minds we should be very, very clear that powers are the same if the bases and the indices are the same. For example, 5x squared and minus 7x squared are showing same powers. So, we must be able to identify same powers. 5x squared and minus 7x squared. The power here is x squared, the power here is x squared. The bases are exactly the same, the indices are exactly the same, therefore these two powers are the same. Now this is a very, very important statement, and you must be very, very clear about this in order to work out like and unlike terms. If you're not clear about this, you will have problems with like and unlike terms. So, it might be better then to just do one more example and say 6x and 6x squared are showing powers which are not the same. Because if you look here, you got x, but the index is 1. Here you got x, but the index is 2. For same powers, the base and the index must be the same. Here the bases are the same, but the index is different. So therefore these powers are not the same. So, if you wish to complete the story properly, then we do one more. And if you take 6x squared and 6b squared, once again the powers are not the same, because this time the indices are equal but the bases are different. Therefore these powers are not the same, these powers are not the same, but x squared and x squared are same powers. Now this is a very powerful thing. You must be very clear about this in your mind, Because once you've got this clear, you'll be able to differentiate between like and unlike terms. You'll be able to explain what is like and what is unlike terms. Alright, so we will take a short break at this stage and return the next time to find out what are like and unlike terms.